The goal of this program is to prepare a list of drawing documents which will be sent to a contractor who will then review the list, print, sign, and send back. Let's see what this looks like in practice. I will now select a project from my vault. This is necessary for the program to know which project the register is being generated for, and so the program can know how to compare previous transmittals. I will also select the assembly file from the same project, and then I will choose the configuration from the pop-up window. I can change this at any time by double-clicking the file in the list. I click the Calculate Register button. This calculates which files are linked to the assembly and finds related drawings and PDFs in the PDM Vault. Looking at the list of files, I see that PDF files are listed, but I have some drawings at the bottom of the list. This is because these drawings do not have any PDFs of the same name in the Vault. If they did, they would be replaced with a PDF of the same name. If you would like to add more documents to this window, simply click the Add More button, and if you would like to remove documents, click the Remove Selected button. Once I've reviewed all the documents in the list, I click the Generate Register button, which creates an Excel file from a specified template. If I'm happy with the changes, I am able to check this into my SOLIDWORKS Vault with a specified comment. This is now ready to be converted to a PDF and sent to the customer. Typically for the next release, we would reissue the same documents. This time around, however, some of our users might have made some changes to it. So I'm going to go ahead and make a change to this file that we have over here. I right-click on the file and say Browse to, which opens up a new window. I can now take the file, check it out, and use the standard PDM functionality to make a change to the data card. Once I've checked the file in, I am able to add my comment. And the value is updated in the data card. I now click the Calculate Register button and will notice that there is a change in the document. In this case, we see that this row has now turned orange because it is different. I'm now ready to generate a new register. Before I do, I would like to just take us back to the folder where the drawing registers are generated. So you can see that the current register is register 6633 and the new one will be 6634. Also, I've got a folder where all of the selected files will be copied. So I can select all of the files and then remove the drawings, because typically we don't distribute drawings, but should I need to do that, I can choose the drawings. And I can hit the Generate Register button. So once I've clicked that, we can see that at the bottom here the file will appear. We've got 6634 there. I can open it like I did previously, which I'm not going to do right now. But then if I click the Open Folder button, I can see that all of the documents selected in my list was automatically copied to the destination folder specified in the program settings. So this is now ready for distribution to the client. And thank you for watching.